Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to add horizontal line in Word. Just open a Word document. If you want to insert a horizontal line here, you can add horizontal line very quickly. How can we do that? Just press enter and type dash 3 times and press enter. It's automatically draw a line. Just it's a first paragraph. Go to the second paragraph and press enter. Now type asterisk 3 times and press enter. It is very good technique. And third paragraph, press enter and type number sign 3 times. Press enter. Go to the fourth paragraph. Press equal sign 3 times. Enter. Go to the fifth paragraph. Now type tilde 3 times and press enter. You can see how can we insert lines very quickly. It is very useful technique you can use in your document. Thanks for watching.